The world is asleep, but wealth is being created. You think success is about luck? No. It's about the silent hours, the hours before dawn.
If you want to achieve financial freedom, you need to understand the 5 a.m. mindset. This isn't just about waking up, it's about waking up with purpose. This is the secret billionaire habit they don't teach you in school. When the alarm hits 5 a.m., your day starts with a win. Every time you hit the snooze button, you are training your mind to fail. Billionaires know that the discipline required to control your morning is the same discipline required to control your money.
At 5 a.m., there are no emails, no meetings, no distractions. This is your most valuable time, the time for deep work. While everyone else is rushing, you are calmly building your empire. Successful people don't find time, they make it. Today, when your alarm rings, ask yourself, am I going to be a consumer of the world or a creator? Start with the 5 a.m. mindset. Subscribe to become the architect of your wealth.